Good evening. Before you sleep, receive this peace. Lord, thank you for today. Bless my week ahead, my work, my steps, my words. Protect my family and my home. Fill my heart with your calm. Amen. Good night. God bless you.
Against the wickedness and snares that try to bind, stand beside us now, guard our heart and mind. We humble ourselves